how to configure tools of the MCP servers in the Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can configure different tools of any particular MCP server in Google Antigravity. So in order to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our agentic panel. If your agentic panel is not here, you can simply launch it using this particular shortcut, that is Control Alt and B, and here you can see this is the agentic panel. Now from here, click onto these three dots and go to the second option, which is MCP server. Now it will show you a list of all of the available MCP servers, and those which have been installed on your system will show this installed option. So we're gonna click onto this Cloud Run MCP server, and from here you can access the tools list from here. Now you can easily configure the tools list as to in you have to decide which tools you wish to enable or disable. You can do them as per your own pleasement and your own citations. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.